The Excise and Narcotics Department in Aizawl made a significant seizure on Wednesday, confiscating over 5 kilograms of heroin. This marks the second instance within 2 days where narcotics officials have intercepted a substantial cache of drugs. Acting on received intelligence, authorities seized 5.427 kilograms of heroin at Aizawl View, Falkland locality. The contraband was found in the possession of Lalnun Mawia, also known as Puya, 38 years, a resident of Dedu, Tripura, currently residing in Aizawl. Lalchawin Lanya, 34 years, a resident of Kampat Kanan, Myanmar, currently residing in Vairengte town, was also involved in the incident. Upon interrogation, the apprehended individuals disclosed that the heroin had been smuggled from Myanmar concealed within a second-hand thrift clothes bale. Additionally, officials seized a Tata Yoda truck bearing registration number MZ01V 2018, which was utilized for transporting the drugs. The apprehended individuals have been booked under the Narcotics and Psychotropic Substances Act 1984 and are slated to appear in court. If found guilty, they could face imprisonment ranging from 10 to 20 years along with a fine ranging from 1 to 2 lakhs. It's noteworthy that on Tuesday, 2 Myanmar nationals were also arrested in connection with drug-related offenses.